Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by equipping the audio recorder immediately after mission loadout. This saves time. Once done, turn it on the second you step inside and aim at hotspots like bedrooms or basements, because proximity increases chance of clear EVPs. Make sure to speak into it briefly to verify levels and keep it steady on likely ghost paths. You do this now so the recorder is active during early ghost events that often give the best responses. Once recording, you ask direct, simple questions and then pause for 3 seconds, because ghosts reply in the silence. Make sure to alternate. Call out to the room generally, then focus on one person or object to isolate the response. This helps you identify which area triggered the EVP. If you hear static or footsteps, reposition closer and lower background noise from radios or teammates. These steps increase the chance of capturing intelligible, usable audio evidence. You finish by playing back recordings right after a possible response to confirm it's an EVP and not ambient noise. This saves time. Make sure to note the take, its location, and any contextual clues before leaving the area, because context matters for evidence. If you get nothing, retry, move closer, change your phrasing, and ask louder but steady questions. If audio still fails, check the recorder is actually set to record, and that teammates haven't blocked sound with equipment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.